Hi everyone, my name is Courtney and I am 29 years old. I am going to be starting a YouTube channel, and pretty much what it's going to be is my so-called adult life. And I know I previously had a YouTube channel and it was basically surrounded by makeup. Well, this one is going to still involve makeup, but it's also going to be things included, like, for example, maybe dreams I've had, past experiences. I have miscarried before, so maybe some insight on miscarriages, past relationships, jobs experiences. I've recently been let go of my job, so I figure until I find one, or if YouTube picks up, I will be YouTubing. This is something that I would like to do. I would like to try to get videos out twice a week, if not more. And like I said, it's basically going to be about my life, struggles and things that I've went through. It's still going to have some makeup involved, of course, because it wouldn't be me if it didn't have makeup. But yeah, we're going to go and see how this takes me, and I would love for you guys to join me. If you could, you could please give this video a thumbs up. If you can also subscribe to my channel, comment, share. Let's start a discussion in the comment section below if you would like to. I would gladly appreciate having some of you be part of my YouTube journey and experience. Until next time, thank you. Bye.